Do you know that you can pin 2 comments now on Instagram? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin comments on Instagram. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can pin comments on Instagram. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right, which is your profile picture, and then just find an video that you want to pin the comment. So for example, I want to pin from this video. I didn't learn any of this. Alright, so tap on the video. Okay, so I want to pin the comments from this video. So I have 5 comments. Just click on the comment. Well, you see there's a few comments that I can pin. So it depends on which one that you want to pin. So now you can pin 2 comments. So one comment could be your own comment, and the second comment could be someone else's comment. So it makes this more interactive, not just the comment that you pin. So how do you do this? You just have to pick any comment that you want, just click on it, and then you just click pin. Alright, when you click pin, so they'll automatically pin the comment up there. Okay, so you can pin another one. For example, if you click again, then you want to pin, you can pin as well. Alright, so when you pin, the person will receive notification that you pin the comment. So it's a good way as well to make them feel appreciated if you feel the comment is great. So yeah, so this is a good way for you to pin, to interact with your audience as well, apart from just commenting that comment. So yeah, so that's it. So that's how easily you can pin comments. So pin 2 comments in Instagram right now. Hope that this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.